Good day and welcome to All Class Confectionery. Today I am showing you how to make easy Nigerian fried rice that anyone can cook at home. This simple Nigerian fried rice recipe is beginner friendly and full of flavor. Watch till the end for my simple fried rice tips. So I added oil in my pot and heated it up a bit before adding my onion. So I stir fried the onion for few minutes till it's soft but crunchy. I followed it up with my grounded yellow pepper and garlic. The secret to adding this yellow pepper is to help with the color. As you can see, the color of the oil has changed to yellow after I added the yellow pepper and garlic. So just proceed to add your seasoning. Any seasoning of your choice is good, but preferably you use the chicken flavor of any seasoning you are using to help with the color also. Next I added salt. Next is to add curry powder. I already used half of the sachet to cook my beef, and this is the remaining half that I'm adding to this. Next is to add in my beef stock. That's the water I used to cook my beef. Then I added more water, then we'll cover to boil. After it has boiled, I went ahead and added my parboiled rice. You can decide to just wash and add your rice, or if you choose to parboil it, it's still fine. But when you are parboiling it, make sure it's just parboiled, that is just a little bit, not too, you don't over parboil it, that is, don't allow it to be soft. I just parboiled it a bit so I'll be able to throw the water. I added little quantity of oil in my pan. Then I went in with my green beans, followed by my yellow and green bell pepper. Next is the green peas. We continue to stir till it's tender, that is, till the vegetables become soft. I added little quantity of the curry powder and salt here also. Then I added my carrots and some seasoning. I added the carrot last because the other vegetable takes longer time to soften than the carrot. So I don't want it to be too soft. I want it to still have its crunchy taste even after frying. Our vegetable is ready and our rice is also ready. Just go ahead to pour the vegetable into the rice, then we combine them together. So my fried rice is not complete without this liver. I added some fried liver to it. If you're still watching up to this point, I say thank you for staying tuned to the end of this interesting tutorial. Please support my channel by giving this video a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.